Hey guys, this is the Orange Master. Today I'm going to be doing a loon call, and this is how you do it. So all you need to do is make this little bit of like a square, thumb like that. Then just take your flat hand, put it right down on this part down here of your hand. Then just curl it up like this. Leave a little hole like that. Go up to like that knuckle part. Let me get it onto the right side. The knuckle part right here. Go up above. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Something's not right here. So I know it's right. Oh, there we go. And then just blow above it. Sooner or later you'll learn how to do that one, but it took me a while to learn this one. So next time you're playing Far Cry Primal, you can play it in real life now. And like every time, peace. Bye guys.